YouTube? It's your boy yvngshine. We back at it with another video. And today's video, we're gonna be starting a little different. We're gonna be starting with the GoPro on our head, and we're gonna be riding around, making some noise with these catless headers. These are stainless power long tube headers. We riding around, downshifting, rev matching, shifting, just riding around making noise, giving y'all a point of view of like what's it like to drive with headers, E85, cold air intake, and a tune. So I'm just gonna be giving y'all that point of view. And let's go ahead and get a quick cold start. As we wait for Chelsea to warm up, y'all make sure to follow me on all my social media. Links can be down in the description below. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'm still trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the year. Make sure to hit the like button. Comment down below what you think of the car as usual. You know what I'm saying? Hit the bell notification button. And let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Them drag radials gonna hook every time. They gonna hook every time. No spinning with these on, man. No spinning. What that is? Interesting. A little scat. A little scat. Fun fact, I have yet to race anybody in this car yet. As a side note. Not gonna lie, I might get some Chick-fil-A at the end of this video. Your boy is hungry. Traction off. First gear at 35. You feel me? Anyways, let's talk about what I'm gonna do next to the interior. I'm gonna be adding a whole bunch of carbon fiber everywhere, carbon fiber to dash, the little accessories, just carbon fiber everywhere. And I will be getting rid of this calculator screen. I will be either going with probably gonna upgrade to like that Sync 3, just like the premium screen, and have all like the little drive modes and everything, get that hooked up. But there's another option I forgot. I think it's called Donovan. I might get that radio. It's between those two radios which I'm gonna get, so I can upgrade, have a touchscreen radio, big radio. I think the Donovan is a 10-inch screen, while the premium one is a 8-inch screen. So gonna be deciding between those two radios. And then what I really want to do, but it'll probably be like the third and final thing I do to the interior, is probably get like a digital dash. But those cost a pretty penny. Those are like 2-3 bands for that. So that'll probably be like the very last thing I do to the interior. And we already gutted, as y'all can see in the back. And that's pretty much it to the interior. And then another thing, I'm not quite sure if I have a short throw shifter or not. I can't really tell. I can't tell. I believe I do. I believe I have one. I'm not sure what the previous owner put in here. But when it's time for me to upgrade my clutch, drive shaft, and all that stuff, I'm probably gonna go with an MGW short throw shifter in here if there's not already one in here now. But the throws, they feel kind of short, like compared to like the 3-valve with that short throw shifter I have in there, the Barton one. So yeah, that's pretty much, that's all I'm gonna do to the interior. Just thought I'd throw that in there. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but with my car it's a little bit deeper because of the catback that I have, the MRB catback that I have. I think it's a race catback. It has an H pipe, so I'm not raspy like how them other 5.0 boys be with the X pipe. Now I do have an X pipe on the 3-valve, but I think that's perfect for that car. But shit, know y'all heard that pop. Know y'all heard that pop. That little second and third pop. Feeling good, man. Car feel good. Cars love the cold weather. But yeah, like I was saying with the H pipe, yeah, we got an H pipe on this car with the catback. So that's kind of how I have that deep kind of sound. So it sounds good paired up with the stainless power long tube headers, catless ones. And I'm still hungry, so we finna slide to Chick-fil-A. We finna slide to Chick-fil-A. Get another second gear here. That is V6. Ever in the road when I'm in the road. I just never catch like random cars in the road. Then even if I do, they'll be going the opposite way. But I'm gonna start getting some of my buddies to start bringing their cars out, start filming with their cars, so we can bring some different type builds onto the channel and, you know, review, talk about them, line it up, go a little Mexico every now and then. So I'm start doing that for y'all boys. And another thing, if you have a Mustang, Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Vet, you know what I'm saying, anything cool, and if you like to be on the channel and you stay like in the middle Georgia area, central Georgia area, you know what I'm saying, comment down below or hit my IG at shine.s197, and we can come up with something and get your car on the channel, get some exposure going. You know what I'm saying? Do a little something. Comment down below what y'all be getting from Chick-fil-A. I keep it real simple. I get a number 1 with the large fry, and I'm gonna get a lemonade mixed with fruit punch. So y'all comment down below what y'all normally get from Chick-fil-A. Comment down below if y'all be mixing up y'all order in any type of way, be getting like special orders and stuff. Matter of fact, comment down below if you work at Chick-fil-A and there's a special way to like make orders, stuff like that, because I would like to know. Damn, I ain't parked right. Oh well, I don't want nobody parking beside me anyway. I think we're gonna pretty much wrap up the video right here. I got my food, finna go back to the crib and grub up. But yeah, it's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. Yeah, it's gonna wrap up this video right here. Just riding around making some noise, a little POV. But yeah, y'all make sure to like the video, comment down below if y'all enjoyed the POV and if I should do more of these. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn your bell notifications on. And your boy Young Shine is out.